So today we're gonna be doing an everyday makeup look. It's for beginners and we're only gonna be using one shadow. One shadow, you heard me right. Really quick, I just wanna say thank you and tell you guys about the sponsor of this video, Dossier. This is Dossier, and man, oh man, let me tell you. If you're on a budget like me, but you know, you still wanna feel chic and bougie sometimes, Dossier's got you. Dossier produces high-end luxury perfumes for a fraction of the price. You get the same quality of perfume from them just cutting out the brand tax and any additional expenses that would usually be put onto the original price. So you can literally find your favorite perfume for 29 bucks. They also have a risk-free system where you can try the perfume out on your skin, and if you don't like it, send it back within 30 days. You don't have to commit. The perfumes are so concentrated and they last forever, like all day. The bottle itself is very luxurious and very well made. It lists the top notes of all of these scents on the top of the front of the bottle, which is a huge plus for me because sometimes there's something about a scent that I really, really love and I don't really know what that scent is, but with Dossier, with process of elimination, you can find out what that scent is. The cap is magnetic. Look how cool it is, guys. I will link everything you need to know about Dossier in the description below. Get your hands on some amazing, affordable, luxurious perfumes. And now we'll get back to the video. If you are new here, hello, my name is Josie. I post videos on this channel. Sometimes not as often as I wish I could. I'm sorry about that. Let's zoom you in. Whew. Be real close. Alright guys, so I have done my base and I've bronzed a little bit. The Makeup Revolution bronzer, this is the 01 Cool. I'm gonna be going in with my Urban Decay Primer Potion. We're just gonna blend this out with our finger. Eyeshadow base blended out. Now I'm just going to set that with some setting powder. This is the Ciate Watermelon Burst setting powder. And then for this makeup look, we're gonna need two brushes. One fluffy crease brush and one flat shadow brush. For this eyeshadow look, I'm gonna be going in with MAC's Saddle Eyeshadow. You can go in with any brown. This is one of my favorites. It's a nice warm brown, medium tone. And I am just going to pick some of that up. And we're gonna place this into our crease very lightly. We're gonna pick some of that shadow up with our flat brush. And we're gonna place this on our lid. We're gonna then go back in with our fluffy brush, pick a tiny bit of product up, and start to blend out that line of demarcation. what we're gonna do is take our flat brush and we're gonna run some of this along the bottom portion of our eye. We're gonna take this flat brush and really concentrate it on the outer portion of the lid. All right, and then we're just gonna take that blending brush, go in and just blend that section out. That is it for the eyeshadow. Now we're just gonna go in with our liquid liner. This is the roller liner. This is from Benefit, and it's amazing. Let's go in. Now you do not have to go in with a wing, but you know me, I'm going in with a wing. Let's go in with a kohl. We're gonna tight line top and bottom. It's gonna help you look much fuller on the top of your eye with the lash line. Curl those lashes and apply your mascara. We're gonna put some Amrezy highlight on. I'm gonna go in with NYX's Shine Loud lip color. This is Boundary Pusher. We're gonna let that dry and then add the gloss. There we go. Here's the look, guys. What do y'all think? So this is what the eyes look like. I love them. No false lashes, just natural lashes with mascara. And that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please don't forget to give it a like and don't forget to subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I love y'all. Bye. Mwah.